the Presidential Campaign Committee for coming so late. But we were talking to your fathers. We went to Boko to talk to the Chief Traditional Council and to the Tupo to talk to the Chief Doma and the Doma Traditional Council. Please forgive us for coming this late. Let me thank you for coming out in large numbers and staying here till 10 o'clock to support our presidential candidate and all PDP candidates. I want to appreciate you because you have rebuilt this party. It's a strong party, it's a united party. All of you should come out on the day of election and vote for all our candidates. Vote for President Atiku Abubakar and Vice President Okowa and all our National Assembly candidates on the 25th of this month. All of you know how you have suffered in this country for the last 8 years on APC. Only somebody who has mental problems will vote for APC. Do not waste your vote. Go out, canvass for everybody to come out and vote for the PDP from bottom to top, from top to bottom. After putting in President Atiku Abubakar and Gabriel Suswan, Samuel Ortom, and Abamoro as our senators, you know we have other members of our House of Representatives. Vote for all of them. Anybody who deceives you not to vote for a PDP candidate is not telling you the truth. Vote for every PDP candidate. The party is not divided. There are a few of our members who have grievances. We are talking to them. We want to make sure they come back and work with us fully. 1 week is enough to change everything. This thing has been going on. And I want to assure you that we will receive everybody back. I'm appealing to my younger brother, Governor Ortom, to come back and join us so that we'll fight to rescue Nigeria. There is no better party. Governor Ortom has nowhere to go. His only house is the PDP. And every time he comes, we shall be more than happy to receive him and all PDP governors. 2 days ago, Governor Iyorchia Ayu was in my house because he lost his gubernatorial candidate. We have resolved problems with Governor Iyorchia Ayu, and the whole of other people are coming back. We want all our candidates, all our governors to be with us, because if you allow APC to win this election, you will regret it. Thank you for coming, and now I'm going to present the flag of our party to our governor, the next governor of Benue State, Governor Oba. Please vote for him. Let nobody come and deceive you that there is a Messiah from anywhere.